Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have a gigantic unboxing video to share with you guys. So Kizer reached out to me and said, hey, would you want to help us celebrate our 11th anniversary by doing a huge giveaway for your audience? And I said, yeah, absolutely. I know that a lot of you guys really love Kizer knives. They offer excellent value, excellent quality, all of that. And I've reviewed a ton of stuff from Kizer over the years. So this was super kind. They sent me 11 knives. I actually haven't counted. I assume there are 11 here. But they have events going on all month long in June. So you guys are probably seeing this on June 1st. As of right now, they have this huge event going on over at their website, and I'm going to link all of the details to everything that's going on down in the description, as well as a link to the Kizer website so you guys can check this out. But for today, we're going to open this stuff up, and then next weekend, well, on Friday, June 7th, at about 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, I'm going to go live, and I'm going to give all of this stuff away. So sincerely, thank you so much to Kizer. I'm sure that there's some really cool stuff in here. I can't wait to get into it. But like I said, check out the events going on the Kizer website down in the description. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. I think they have additional stuff that they're giving away on their website. They've got like prize wheels and coupons and a whole bunch of stuff. And then there's like prize packages, discounted stuff, a whole bunch. So, okay, so what we have here first off is a drop bear. I'm going to try and go through these fairly quickly. Whoa. Definitely a different drop. Is this like a, what do we call this? Lexan? Something like that? Let's see. We have it says PMMA. I would venture to guess that that's what that is. That's actually really cool. And then we have Nitro V, which I don't think I've actually seen on the drop bear before, so that's cool. Next up, we have a Kizer Brat. Oh, man. You're killing me, Kizer. I got to give this away. Oh, man. I guess it's the same as the one that I have. That's really cool. So this is the Kizer Brat that is the G10 integral, which is really cool. We don't see these hardly ever where the entire frame is made out of G10, but 154 cm. This is exactly like the one that I have. So that's fine. More than happy to give that one away. I'm actually going to keep these. I think it's probably a good idea to like keep these in their respective containers. Well, like all the packaging is all going to go off to the side. Next up, what do we have here? We have, oh, I forgot about this one. Yeah, I've reviewed this one as well. This is the Dogfish, which went over. It's rare for a Kizer product to not get anywhere from a really good to a decent review on this channel, just because the materials they use for the price points and the execution of said materials are always very good. The designs are also always good too, or most of the time very good, because they either do good in-house stuff or they work with people who are just great designers. 154 cm, very cool knife for sure. And let's put that one right there. We're gonna have an issue here when we need to get underneath some of these. But next up, what do we have? The Amicus, also another knife that I've reviewed here. Yeah, okay. And we have, is this like injection mold plastic and Nitro V? I bet you that's a pretty super duper inexpensive one. If you're looking to pick that one up for yourself, I would venture to guess that that is very likely a super inexpensive knife. There we go. Pull this out from underneath. Next up, what do we have here? Another Amicus. What do we have? Oh, they just sent me two of the white and black. That's kind of cool. It's kind of like a Stormtrooper aesthetic, right? The white and the black. And the other benefit is you can writ dye these literally any color you want. When you have, I mean, that's probably the easiest material to writ dye. So if you decide to pick this up or you win them, you'll be able to writ dye them whatever you want. So that's cool. Let's get underneath here and pick this one up. I'm saving the premium ones, and there's two premium ones down here, and there's obviously a fixed blade up here. So I'm saving those more towards the end. This one is, oh, the Momo, yeah. This is one of my personal favorite Kizer knives ever. I can't remember the designer. Does it say? I don't know. But the reason I like it is because of the size and the overall aesthetic. This is the coolest front flipper and one of the coolest Kizers ever. This thing is gigantic. Very cool of them to send. They sent me obviously a bunch of crowd favorites. I think they even mentioned in their message to me on Instagram. They said we're sending, like, you know, super duper popular knives. So that's cool. I mean, like, it's nice that they're sending stuff that's popular and not just stuff that they're trying to get rid of. I appreciate that. The Momo is definitely cool. Definitely an awesome knife. Highly recommendable for people who like the larger front flippers. This one is another drop bear. What do we have here? Oh, okay, so we're doubling up here on this. I'm wondering how I'm going to separate these prize packages. We'll probably do a couple. They won't all be individual because that gets really expensive for shipping on my end because I am paying to ship all this stuff out. But we'll probably do prize packages since we have duplicates here. So we have another one, Nitro V with the see-through scales. Very cool. Down here we have, I'm wondering if are there doubles of every single knife? That would make sense. Yeah. No, wait. No, we have another Amicus in black. Yeah, there we go. Black, and I think this is also the injection mold plastic Nitro V. Very cool. Okay. And so we have a triple of that one. And then, let's see. This is a heavy one. Holy moly. Oh, it's a sheepdog. Is it a giant sheepdog? Hold on. Oh, okay, it's a brass sheep. That's why it's so heavy. I have this one too. They sent me one, and I kept one of these brass sheepdogs. I'm going to try not to touch it too much because I don't want this patinaed or pre-patinaed for the winter. That's a CPM 3V. I forgot. Holy moly, brass sheepdog and CPM 3V. Very cool. Did that come with, you know, I'm just going to set that one right there instead of looking for the container it came in. Okay, so we have all of the, you know, the sort of budget to mid-range prizes. Some of those are definitely more expensive than others. A couple in there are definitely over $100. I want to see what this fixed blade is. This is the Groom, okay? Like, as in bride and groom. Alrighty, sorry. Those are a little tricky to open up there. What do we got? Oh, the Skinny Boy. Okay. I'm sure that it comes with a sheath. That is a weird fixed blade. What the heck? Okay, we have D2. Is this carbon fiber? What a freaking weird... I've never seen a fixed blade like that. That is absolutely bizarre. Coated. What does this say? Groom. And this is by... Does it say... What? What does it say right here? Tours... Well, here you go. Let me just zoom up so everybody can see this. Torbay knives. Well, I haven't heard of that before. If I pull this here, if I pull this back out, I bet you anything that there is a sheath, which is probably a good idea to get with both hands before I, you know, injure myself on camera here. Yeah, there's a sheath right there, which I'll probably remove this and just keep it in the box with the sheath. So let's go ahead and put that bad boy right there. Okay. I'm obviously not a fixed blade guy. That doesn't super duper appeal to me, but it doesn't really matter because this is all going to be given away. So we have two premium Kizers. This is, oh, it's a Huntsman. Yeah. Also probably one of the wildest aesthetics we've seen from Kizer. Is this the wait, yeah, this is the exact same one that I have. This thing is absolutely insane. Hold on, let me get this guy out here. Yeah, oh man, wild. And the cool thing about this is it has absurd action. It's identical to the one that I had. Absolutely ridiculous blade shape, frame lock, and beautiful action. I forget who the designer of this one is. I'll show the logo right there. Anyway, you can probably get the information for the designer off of their website, but definitely a super nice knife. I think that's S35VN. Yeah. Love the inlay, love the contouring. I mean, what a unique knife. Almost, almost looks stridery closed, and then you open it up and it's completely different. Super cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then let's just put that one right there for now. And then what's this other one? It's also kind of heavy. Oh, the Militar. Well, of course we have to have a Militar in there. I think that is probably a crowd favorite. Definitely one of my favorites from Kizer. All right, beautiful. We have the black micarta and, well, I guess gray micarta, green micarta. Yeah, probably one of the best EDC profiles that they have done. There's your designer there. But probably one of the best ones that they've done. The blade steel on this guy's also going to be S35VN. Just really, really good all the way around. I can't remember the price. I think it's actually a healthy amount under 200, which is really good. That's Kizer's always had that forte, right? So on June 7th, sorry, I'm wanting to have these displayed, but I just don't quite have enough room. On June 7th, which is literally 6 days from when you're watching this, I'm going to give all of this away. Initially, I was going to give it all to one person, and again, I know people get mad at me when I do that. Just remember, I literally give stuff away every weekend. I'm trying. It gets really expensive, and it adds workload when I'm having to pack these things up individually. So, to make it easy on me, I will probably do prize packages. 2 or 3 prize packages, but all of this stuff is going to get given away. I will make sure that every package has awesome stuff in it. But I want to divide these things up so that people are getting sort of micro collections of Kizer knives. This was really, really cool of Kizer to do. I mean, you know, they technically send me free stuff all the time and I give it away, right? But it was cool for them to send so many things all at once. I mean, the total value of the knives here is not small. You guys might also be wondering, is this, you know, your own channel specific 500K giveaway? No, this is completely and totally separate. I just thought, you know, what a cool opportunity. Kizer sending some awesome stuff. So thank you so much to Kizer for sending these things in. Like I said, check out their event using the links in the description. There's kind of a brief, just some brief information there on what they've got going on and some dates associated with those events. So make sure that you guys check it out. Hopefully you guys will join me on June 7th at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for this event. It should be a lot of fun. Anyways, that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.